Yo, what's up? It's your boy Kikaru back at it again with another video. We got Scru Jean featuring Easy Mill, Righteous and Ratchet official music video. It's been determined last Friday on the live streams. Every Friday, live streams, 2 parts, 10 a.m. PST, 6 p.m. PST. Y'all, thank y'all for the support and everything. I love it. I love y'all. You know, I'm happy. I mean, it's crazy. It was crazy. We had a blast, yo. Ask anybody that was there. We had a blast. Even got thrown into YouTube jail, dog. But that shit was dope. That shit was dope. You can see they let me out on bail and all that shit. But besides that, let's get to this motherfucking video. Y'all got me hyped. I'm excited. I love y'all. Thank y'all for the support. Let's get it.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose.
Started rapping, already sniped. I almost said sniping. Basically, he's sniping, bro, snapping like a motherfucker.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand.
Bro, you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn cold, and that's when they start throwing cans. Yo, you could die with the open hand with your hand out, or you could turn cold and start slugging them, bro. Fuck.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of came and righteous in a broken land. All of that shit, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in stars. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant.
Bro, before Easy Mill start rapping, because he already pointing at him, and I see that, I see that position. He about to start snapping. Funny ass fucking time that I freaking paused the video. That's just comedy. That right here, this right here, or whatever. I can't fucking point to it. Fucking whatever. Y'all see what I'm seeing. That's just comedy. Bro, Screwface is snapping. He's going in. He's going in, bro. He's speaking some real shit though. He's for real going in, bro.
All whack, fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm billing your bitches.
Okay.
Blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up the block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking $10 on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right.
Easy Mill went in, bro. He went, oh my fucking god, dog. Oh shit. This is a collab that was needed to be. This is a collab that was needed. That should have happened, and it did happen.
Right to the ratchet. Hey, we can be right to the ratchet. I come from the bottom with people in stars. We can be right to the ratchet. Hey.
Should've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get.
Did he say he got this thing up in a demon whip?
Right to the ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed. We keep it ratchet and ratchet.
Shit, I've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but
Got the cane cup and that's what? Let me go back.
We keep it ratchet and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed. We keep it ratchet and ratchet.
shit, I've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a bullet of soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she begged for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes up Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they
Did he say some things even the Reverend don't even know? He did that and it went to the praying hat, bro. Yo, they some fucking monsters, bro.
Booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she begged for the pole.
so ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes up Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick 'em with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those with these shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the casa. So get to home and they set up your store.
Quit all of that shit, all of that chat. We keep it righteous and ratchet. Some bitches be talking, some bitches be capping. We keep it righteous and ratchet. Hey, hey, we keep it righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed. We keep it righteous and ratchet.
This shit went hard. This shit went too, bro. Shout out to Screwface and shout out to Easy motherfucking Mill, bro. This shit went fucking hard, bro. And then the vocals with Easy Mill and the chorus at the end and shit with Screwface, that shit went in, bro. Bro, they spit some fucking bars in this song, bro. They spit some fucking bars. And then that little edit thing that Easy Mill did after he did that little pose and shit. And then, bro, both of them dancing in the video. Bro, let's talk about the choreography and shit. Ain't no fucking choreography. They was just rap. I feel like, I don't know. I don't know if they did it, but it looked like all the dancing parts and shit was just like a one take scene. Like, bro, and then the scenery is fucking perfect. Bro, this collab needed to happen. It should have happened, but it did happen, and that's dope, and that's what's up. Mad respect to these two, man. Shout out to Screwface. Shout out to Easy Mill. Like and subscribe, Screwface. Like and subscribe, Easy Mill. Like and subscribe to me. Join the Discord. Join the Academy. Join the family. It's your boy, Kikaru. Y'all already know what's up. Yo, this shit was fucking hard. This shit is going on my motherfucking Apple Music playlist. I love y'all. Peace out. Thanks for the support. This shit was fucking dope.